welcome back. Well, so, yeah. I wanted to show you something. Yes. You already saw a sneak peek. So, getting closer to the finishing product. And I'm getting more happy about the finishing product. Yes. So, I have a little problem with the floor. Can you see it? Yes. I cleaned it, but used the wrong material. So I'm now cleaning it part by part. Shitty happens. Well, what I wanted to show you is this. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? I absolutely love it. Just like this, when I'm standing here. You can see the beautiful Lotus, I believe, Formula 1 car. And it gives an extra dimension on the garage. Don't you think so? So I'm pretty happy with the result. Perfect size. Because when I touch the tire, you see that it matches the real life size. And that's something I was worried about. So, well, final glance. I will get out of the way. Yes. Very happy with the result. So, next, the cupboards. Well, this is just stupid. Stupid. Well, okay, behind me, there you see the IKEA cabinet. Very simple, IKEA does everything right, they say. And normally I'm pretty happy with what they deliver. But when you buy the box system, you don't have the, how do you call it in English? The hinges or the scharnieren. I don't know how you call it in English. But the things you need to mount the door. Stupid ass mother. So, due to the lockdown, I cannot jump in the car and get those things. No, I'll be sit back for another 24 hours at least. And then I have to work, so it will be 48 hours. Ah, man. I hate the lockdown. Yes. Doesn't do anything. I don't think it does help. But it sure doesn't help doing the things we need to do. That's a little bit of frustration I have. Sorry about that. But it's the truth. I want to clean this mess. And now I cannot finish it the way I want to. And I think I'm gonna finish up putting stuff in the closet. But then, yeah, I have to wait until I get some scharnieren, we call it in Dutch. Yeah, so messed up. Pretty annoying. Okay, well, at least the children are having fun with our new pets, Glitter. Yes, we got some rabbits. Well, okay, well, I'm gonna continue working. There you have it, guys. I found a new problem. A little mistake I made. And that mistake is going to cost me some design overview. Because, well, when I designed this man cave, I figured to use lower cabinets. But when I ordered the cabinets, I decided, hey, they got bigger ones. So I've completely forgot why did I design the lower cabinets. Well, that's because of this rail right here. And this is the old rail, but the new rail will be more like this. So if you have a cabinet over there, you cannot either not open the door, or the rail can not be fitted. So that is a little problem. Lucky for me, every little problem has a big solution. So it's annoying. Wow. Oh, that's the... But okay, well, what are we going to do? The cabinets behind me, we're gonna move them up, then put the other cabinets there, and then slide the vitrines more to the door, and then problem is solved again. Yeah. Well, planning version 2.0. Well, that's when you do a project. Every project, we had it with a car, we had it with the project that is coming soon, the introduction that's coming soon. When you do something like this, you always discover that something doesn't go the way you planned. But the key to all problems is improvise and solve it. So that's what we're going to do right now. Well, cleaned up for as far as possible. And suddenly the echo is back. Yes. It's still messy because the doors are not in. Well, tomorrow the hinges will come. But I love my models, and look at how we solved the problem. I'll stand right here. Da, 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 da. And then we got the beautiful wall behind me with the lotus. And there we got our workspace. I'm losing my voice, I don't know why. So here there are gonna be some shelves, but that's gonna be later, because now I want to stop bore you with garage videos, because behind me, well, I do it like this. Yes. Here are some of the Ferrari parts that are already back here, but I got more. And what I'm gonna do next week is stall them all out, because we need to start some cleaning, because they want the parts. Yes. So I'm gonna switch back. Yes, and forget about the echo. So wait, before we go, I have something to show you. Did you ever use this? Can you see it? Yes. Cyber Clean. I'm gonna do a demonstration, because this is not sponsored, guys. This is not sponsored. One of the tips I got. Let's take a model that's very dirty, and we'll take the F50. Yes. Just look at what this does. Ta-dun, 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 ta-dun. Yes, I confess, I am crazy like this. Okay, there. Ooh, isn't she beautiful? Now, I don't know if you can see how dirty this one is. I cleaned it with the brush, but when you use this, and this is some sort of clay bar, just look at the interior before and it doesn't show you as good thing on the camera as I wanted to, but here's you can see the difference. This is amazing. somebody told me about this product as a way to remove all the dirt from your models. It's actually normally used on railways, model railways, but it suits this thing perfectly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna clean all the models with this new little jelly thingy. So here we are. Let's get back. Yay! So I learned something new, and that's always a good thing. And now I wonder, maybe it also works with the slime my little girl has. Gonna test that one for you, because that's a cheap solution for cleaning your models. And another good message thing to know is that I think next week we can finally go to the hairdresser again. So with that bombshell, yeah, I'm gonna leave you. Take a look at my new website, mr308.com. Yes, it's live. It's not perfect yet, but it's live. So have a look at the website, and please like, subscribe, spread the word, help me out, and let's make some new Ferrari related content. Goodbye guys, thank you and goodbye.